Hello dear students, welcome back to Social Science class. Today let us continue History lesson number 2, our Karnataka. In previous class we discussed about the Mysuru division. Today in this class we are going to discuss about different districts of the Mysuru division. In this session a brief introduction to all districts are given and various aspects to each districts like their uniqueness, their agriculture, industries, tourist places and the important personalities are discussed here. Now let us start the lesson. First one is Mysuru district. Mysuru was the capital city of the Mysuru rulers. Though it has lost the status of capital city, it still remained the cultural capital of our state. And University of Mysuru is the oldest university of our state and it is there in Mysuru district. The annual Dasara festival celebrated here to known the internationally also. Many monuments, palaces, churches, temples that represent our heritage are here. In that the important attractions of these cities are Somanathapura, Nanchagundu, Talakkadu, Gomatagiri of Pettarudu, along with the Khadi production centers attracts thousands of tourists every year in this district. The animals present in the zoo attracts elders and children alike. There is a railway museum, a folklore museum. The biggest one in Asia is also present here. Brindavan Garden is there as a part of KRS Dam. Bailakuppe of Piriyapatna Taluku was housed Tibetan refugees. The Buddha Vihara of Bailakuppe is world famous. Our state was called Mysuru state till 1973. Here you can see the picture of famous Mysuru palace. Next one is Chamarajanagar district. Chamarajanagar was known for as Arikuttara. It was named Chamarajanagar by Krishnaraja Vadiyar III in the memory of his father Chamaraja Vadiyar who was born here. And the Chamarajeshwara temple was built in his memory. The district is famous for mulberry cultivation and production of silkworm cocoons. And Bandipur National Park is in Gundalpet Taluk of this district. Visitors can see wild animals like tiger, leopard and other wild animals in this national park. Apart from this, Biligiri Rangana Betta Wildlife Sanctuary is also there and there is a temple of Biligara Ranga on Biligari Rangana Betta. Male Madheswara Hills and Himavat Gopalaswamy Hills are there well known for the temples of this district. And many religious centers also there in this district. There are many sacred graves of Veerasaiva spiritual leaders in Hardanahalli, Kollegal. An important place of this district is known for the silk weaving. In Chikkaluru of Kollegal Taluk, the sacred grave of the Siddappaji is present. There is a Bandahalli Darak in Sadegala. The famous Hogganekil waterfalls is present here. The sacred grave of famous Kannada poet Shatakeshwara Deva is in Yelandur Taluk of this district. Next we have to learn about Hassan district. The name Hassan came from the temple Hassanamba. The temple is opened once in a year for the public visit. And the temple of these districts are famous for Hoysala architecture. We can see Hoysala architecture more in this division. Villages like Gorur and Mosale are famous. The Chennakeswara temple on the banks of the river Yagachi in Belur is known for its beautiful carving. Belur was called Belapuri. Kedaraswara and Hoysalaswara temple are in Halebeedu. These temples have a history of more than 1000 years and this place was called Dwara Samudra. Here you can see Hoysalaswara temple. It is in Halebeedu. And another marvelous place of this district is Ravanvelgoda, and you can see there a monolithic statue of Bahubali which is one of thousands years old is here. Its height is 58 feet. Next one is Chikmagaluru district. Sharda Devi temple on the banks of the river Tunga was established by Adi Shankaracharya. It is in Chikmagaluru district. Chikmagaluru city is 1034 meters above sea level. It has a pleasant climate and the district has a part of hilly area known as the Malenadu. It has dense forest. In this area we can see thick forest. At Andrews Church, which was built in the 19th century also in this Chikmagaluru district, and the famous Jamia Masjid also here. Kemmanagundi has evergreen forest cover in this region and it has many waterfalls and it is 1400 meters above the sea level. And scenic spots like means greenery like Abbe waterfalls are there, Mulayanagiri and Kalhitagiri are there. A rose garden of more than 1500 varieties also we can see in this region, means Chikmagaluru region. The Baba Budnagiri, which is in the western Ghats, is also called as Chandradrona Parvata. The Dargah of Sufi saint Baba Budhan is here and it is said that he introduced coffee to India. The Baba Budhan is introduced coffee to India. His Dargah means his after the death, his gravery we can see there. Here you can see the Baba Budnagiri Dargah. Devanuru, the birthplace of Kannada's famous poet Lakshmi Shah, is in this district. His Jaimini Bharata is Kannada's most popular book. His book name is Jaimini Bharata. The rivers Tungabhadra, Hemavati, Netravati and Vedavati are born in this district. Next one is Mandya district. You know that Mandya district was formed in the year of 1938 by dividing Mysore district. And it is said that sage Mandavya did penance here, which in turn gave the name Mandya. And sugarcane and paddy are the important crops of this district. And India's first big sugar factory also started here in 1933. And the district has different types of rice mills and countless rice mills are there. In order to encourage agriculture, government has established agriculture research station in Gundalu in 1951. Srirangapatna of this district is a historical and religious center and this was the capital city of Wadiyar dynasty till British took over its administration in the year of 1799. The tombs of Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan are in Gumbaz. Darya Daulat, the summer palace of Tipu Sultan, also important tourist attraction in this district. The city has this Mandya city is on the bank of the river Kaveri. Srirangapatna is the patron god of this. Sriranganatha is the god of this town, and the temple of Sriranganatha are there in all three islands created by river Kaveri. Dengantittu bird sanctuary, Pandavapura, Melekotu, Shivana Samudra, which was Gaganachukki waterfalls and Adi Chunchagiri are some of the interesting places of this district. And Krishnaraja Sagar Dam is in the lifeline of Mandya district. It is the important dam in the Mandya district, and this dam is built across the river Kaveri. It providing that is irrigation facility to the districts of Mandya and Mysore. And this was built, this KRS dam, Krishnaraja Sagara dam, built under the supervision of Sir M. Visvesvaraya, and it is named after Krishnaraja Vadiyar IV, who was instrumental in its construction. Because this KRS dam was constructed by with the guidance of the M. Visvesvaraya, that scientist, and this dam has constructed with the order of Krishnaraja Vadiyar. So this dam is known as Krishnaraja Sagara Dam. It was built in 1932. This is not only an irrigation dam, it also provides drinking water for the cities of Mysuru and Bengaluru. Next one is Kodagu district. You all know that Kodagu is famous as the Kashmir of Karnataka because of its climate and the beauty. After the decline of Kaladi rulers, Halari kings ruled Kodagu from 1600 to 1834. First, this region was ruled by Kaladi rulers. The British, afterwards, Halari kings ruled that region. The Britishers took over the kingdom in 1834. Kodagu was merged with the Karnataka state in 1956. The district is a hilly area. Huttari, a festival of harvest, is celebrated during this harvest season in this region. Next one is Dakshina Kannada district. This is a famous coastal district. This is a coastal region and it has popular port. This aids the export and import businesses because coastal region is there, so export and import is going on this region. Fishing, rolling, beads, process of cashew nuts and agriculture are the major occupation of the people. The coastal areas was once a part of Madras state, but Britishers divided Canada into Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada in 1860. Dakshina Kannada remained with the Madras state, whereas the Uttara Kannada was made part of Bombay region. And Dakshina Kannada is divided into geographical areas, into two geographical areas, the coastal belt which includes Mangaluru and Bantwala taluks, and the hilly areas that includes Puttur, Beltangadi and Sulya taluks. And this is the major commercial centers. Panampur port is known as for the export business. Nava Mangaluru port is built here and there is an international airport in Bajpayee of Mangaluru. Netravadi, Payaswini and Kumarathara are the major rivers of this district. The monolithic Gomadeswara ideal is in Venuru. Sri Manjunatha temple is there. Dharmasthala is popular religious place. Muda Bidre is a famous Jain religious center. Apart from this, St. Aloysius Church and Melgaris Church are well known. The Juma Masjid of Ullal is a place for reverence for Muslims. Dr. Shivram Karnath Biopark also is in this region, and this district is an important education center for the state. Mangalore, Sulya and Surtakal and the Sulya have become the important education centers of the district, and there are many research centers here. There are many beautiful beaches in this district which attract many tourists. Next one is Udupi district. Udupi district was formed in 1997 by dividing Dakshina Kannada district. The Arabian Sea is to the west and the Eastern Ghat is there to the east of the district. Arabian Sea is in the west side, and eastern Ghats are there in the east side of this district, Udupi district. The temple of Krishna is here, Udupi Krishna temple. It is famous. It is said that the idol of Sri Krishna was installed by Dvaita philosopher Madhavacharya. The spot where this view was given is called of Kanagana Kindi. The 42 feet idol of Gomadeswara of Karkala is also popular. Rashtrakavi Govinda Pai Research Center is in Udupi, and Malpe, Manipal, Kudambur, Mandarati, Kota, Kapu, Barkur are some of the popular places. Manipal is evolving a major educational center. Paddy, coconut, arcanut and cashew nuts are the major crops of this district. Malpe is an all-season fishing port, and St. Mary's Island is a popular island in this region. And with this we came to the end of the lesson, and next class I'll send you notes. Thank you, students.